Hello guys, back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's do this. I'm gonna open this here. It's purple. Very clean. So we're just gonna peel this back. This is perfectly new. Back is very clean, as I said. So I'm gonna try and on it. It's Apple. It's the back. So that's English. Oh yeah. Here is the charger in a little circle. I'm gonna take off the plastic here. A very good cable that you can charge with. We've got some things over here for the SIM card here. We have some instructions and the Apple sign, which we are going to use later in the video. So, to the phone. This is the phone case. So we're just gonna open this real quickly. So we've got a case here with some pandas to stick on and some more pandas. This is the actual case. It's clear, opaque, transparent. Yes, purple on the sides. Got the off button and the volume and the mute over here. So that's what's in here. It says hello in different languages. You can see that it looks exactly like the back. Identical, so we're going to try and put it on like that. Oh, it looks nice. I definitely recommend this for if you're getting the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm going to set this up. I'll be back with you later. Okay, so first we are going to put the country or region in with the language. And then it says quick start, yada yada yada, set up manually. So now we have to choose the Wi-Fi, which we are going to do right now. So now it says apps and data. I'm just going to do don't transfer apps and data. We are going to do the Apple ID right now. Okay, so we just finished loading up the phone. We have some good apps. have now widgets. We have use app. Go back. Got good camera quality, as you can see here. We have this map here, and if we turn this off, it's still on display even though the phone is locked. So yeah, that's fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.